Well, hello there, and welcome back to the Quantumcast. I present to you my PC, but it's actually not my PC, it's just a bunch of boxes sitting on top of my PC. It's amazing. Okay, so to the right, yes, we have the GeForce GTX 1080 Ti. Amazing, top quality. Over here we have the 250GB SSD, which is very nice for installing Windows and shit and just making everything faster. Over here we have a 700-watt power supply because rainbow and everything is rainbow. Okay, you got that? Okay, good. Over here we have 32GB of RAM. I know what you're thinking. 32GB, Bailey. You're fucking retarded. Yes, I know. But you don't understand why, okay? You don't fucking get it, so don't complain to me, you little bitches. $600 of RAM, it's worth it, okay? And over here we have the Ryzen 7 processor. Get a zoom in on that 7. Get a nice zoom on that 7. Yeah. That's 7.
Oh, yeah.
And do you want to know a fun fact? Okay, yeah. Want to know a fun fact? My dick is 7 inches, okay? That's bigger than Africa. That's bigger than Africa, okay. Yeah. And over to the left side, we have the Crosshair 6 Hero motherboard. I almost fucked up because that's Roman numerals.
Never news.
Yes. And over here we have the CPU cooler with LEDs. Like everything else here has LEDs. And over here we have a HP disk drive to put discs in, including your mom. And below here we have the PC.
Oh yeah.
So let's get into it. Oh, that's probably not a good idea, but fuck it.
Why tease on that?
Doing it for the video.
Alright.
We're gonna open this the right way.
I feel like you cut the computer.
Oh, look, it's okay. It's protected. Okay.
Alright.
Are you ready? It's not coming off, but...
Oh!
You know what I'm mostly happy about right now? The cable management is...
On point. Just fucking on point. Fucking zoom up.
It's just like my birthday, except like... Not. But it is. Because I paid for it. I can't believe this is mine. Like, what the hell? This is actually really weird. Alright! Oh my god.
Holy shit, look at the front of it. Get that shit out of it. No.
And
Can you get the laptop? Yeah.
And just put that on the couch. Yeah, that's a lot of money. Just be careful.
What? Okay.
And also move my tissues. I'm sick.
You have a girlfriend.
Yes, but when she's not around, I could totally. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What the fuck? How many is there?
72.
Jesus Christ, this is so much.
2 HDMI, fucking inputs, outputs, whatever they...
Also DVI, and I can't remember the other one.
RGB lighting.
There's
Here we
also
Bruz.
another 3 USBs here. Dude, what the
Over
fuck?
fucking powered.
This is fucked. Yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna stab you, baby.
I'm not fucking stab your children.
Oh no, let me.
Not yet. You wanna fucking go me, bro? I know how to disarm you with that.
You should like lick his cock.
You wanna see how I do it? You wanna know how I do that? I get on my knees.
And then suck his
Right.
cock.
Where the fuck is it? Yeah. Wait. Pause.
Just a second, he's gotta get his...
Don't say. Okay, come back. Go on your knees. Like, go on my knees. And then
Oh my
this
God.
fucking bed. I got a crowbar, motherfuckers.
Oh my... Yep.
You ready?
Oh wait, I already see things lighting up.
Oh, that was quick.
Wait, turn off the lights. Turn off the lights, it's not gonna look dramatic.
Turn the lights off. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yep. Anticlimactic.
How do you turn on the computer?
Oh, it's, the back button, right?
It's on.
Alright.
Okay, guys, so...
Wait, I haven't... Oh, alright.
Okay, guys, so, it's literally been 2 days or a day since, the reveal, and the bullshit happened with the PC wouldn't turn on. We've spent, how many hours do you reckon? About 10 hours straight.
Yeah.
Not right now, but 10 hours in total of trying to get this thing to work.
Many tutorials.
I'm telling you now, I had a mental breakdown at the start, and now I just haven't given up. I haven't given up all day. Like, you know.
Yeah.
Like,
He's been fiddling around with this all day.
Like, no joke, I've been in the middle of, like, doing stuff, and then I'm like, no, I'm gonna keep working on this thing. Like,
Yeah.
I've just been working countless on getting this thing. This
Look at-
wasn't turning on, but this is a sign of life. This is also, right here, is a sign of life. Okay, guys, so we are back, and my god, it's been a journey just to get this PC going. Okay, so long story short, when me and Kane were going through it, we noticed that the fan for the processor was actually not correct, and it wasn't meant for that processor, which they accidentally put that on their website, and then that made me buy it, and pretty much it's fucked up the processor and the fan. But they refunded me the fan for like $75, which was how much I bought the fan for, and they replaced it with a brand new one, and a better one, obviously. And I got the better, and the processor's good. So anyway, we've got the box here. I can't show it because it's got my phone number, and I mean, I don't care about the address because that's already leaked on the video, which I won't say it because you should go find it for yourselves. I leaked my address, but it doesn't matter because by the time you see this video, actually no, I'll still be here for a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna unbox it for like the second time. So this process since I actually got in it has been over 2 weeks, and I've been waiting well over a month just to get this PC. So we are officially going to open it finally, and fucking been waiting so long, guys. I swear if it doesn't work, I'm gonna cry. Legit gonna cry. You think I'm joking? These are gonna be manly tears. Ugh. Ugh, fuck you. Ooh, the new fan! Okay, so this new fan right here is actually one I wanted more, and it actually costs a lot more, so this works out so good, guys. Wow. Looks clean as fuck. Cleaner than I had it when I was looking at it. Oh god, this is so heavy. Okay, that's a start. Okay, we've got the motherboard lights working again. Might turn off these lights because that's just... Come on. Actually, it's fine, whatever. Okay guys, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh! Yes! Oh! Oh my god, it's so nice! Ooh! Why aren't these ones on yet? Okay, I think those ones will turn on after I've turned everything else on, but... Oh, yeah! Alright, so guys, I had some problems with the LEDs at the front, which I have now gotten working, and... Oh my fucking god! I haven't even had a proper look at this yet, but Jesus Christ, this looks insane. But basically, I've messed around with some color settings. I've been working, actually, for a while trying to get these all, like, fixed and working. I don't know how I'm gonna get that light, like, rainbow. I think there is a way to do it, but I'm gonna have to figure it out. But, basically, one of the LED cords weren't in properly, which I think that was my fault when I was originally looking at it, but it is in properly now. And, thank god it's not broken. Yeah, I'm gonna pretty much start now transferring stuff over to this computer. The second one isn't up yet because, just in case I need to grab some stuff off my other one, but, oh my god, this thing is beast! The RAM on here is, like, my favorite LED so far. I can customize all the colors if I want to, but at this point I like it the way it is. This looks a freaking beast as hell. It is beast as hell. I can't wait to start gaming on here once I've gotten everything transferred on here. But, after this video, there should be a proper video of, like, a gaming video. My first gaming video on here. I still got a lot of footage from my other computer that I still need to edit, but don't worry, I'm saving that for a video after this one. Okay guys, so I'm sorry the quality is gonna be a bit shit. I'm just recording this quickly on my GoPro before I actually end this video, but, I've been on my computer for ages. It's now like 1 o'clock in the morning. I've just been transferring so much stuff and just getting this PC ready for me to like do what I want to do on it. But anyway, I've done a quick test on like one game, and Jesus Christ, this PC is amazing in the highest quality possible on like Sony games. But anyway, I need to show you guys something. Yes, it's what you think.
Anyway guys, I hope you guys can still see me, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This has taken so long for me to get this PC, but it's all been worth it. I can't wait to start playing games on here and start recording. Anyways guys, hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like if you did, subscribe if you're new, and also let me know down in the comments if you're hyped for the full setup video, which will be coming probably later this week or next week. Definitely next week. But anyway, see you all later. Stay sexy, Quantums, and goodbye. See yous.